Hi, my name is Angela Romina Piña Escobedo, and I'm going to talk about an amazing place called Saint Peter's Basilica. Would you like to visit Saint Peter's Basilica? Searching the word Saint Peter's Basilica is more than just the most important building in Christianity. It is a jewel in the Vatican City where the popes have spread the word of architecture of Saint Peter's Basilica. Saint Peter's Basilica in the Vatican is a masterpiece of Renaissance Rome and of all Christianity. We on the tomb of Saint Peter with 12 apostles of Jesus Christ. The colossal structure is one of the four main basilicas of the world. The structure was commissioned by Pope Julius II in 1,506 and took almost one. Its construction involved the main artists and architects of the Renaissance period, such as Michelangelo and Raphael. Who was Michelangelo? Michelangelo's contribution to the basilica was the greatest of them. He was the only architect to work on it whose plans were continued without significant change after his death. Why is famous the Saint Peter Basilica? Saint Peter Basilica in Vatican City is one of the most visited holy places in the world and is the greatest church in Catholicism. Saint Peter is famous for being a place of pilgrimage for its liturgical function and for for example, with the figure of the Pope, with the Counter-Reformation, and with numerous like Michelangelo. In my opinion, the Basilica of Saint Peter is an impressive and beautiful church, as it is a cultural, historical, and architectural place, with in its interior treasure of millennia, such as paintings, sculptures, artifacts, and the other things. The origin of the Saint Peter's Basilica dates back to the 4th century, just when Emperor Constantine decided to build a basilica on the site or remains of the Apostle Saint Peter. By the year 329, the construction of the basilica, which was used as cover to celebrate the worship and banquet hall during funerary acts. In the Middle Age, it became the main place of pilgrimage located in the west. 506, with the construction of a new basilica on the commission of Pope Julius II to the architect Donato Bramante, who proposed a plan in the form of a great cross, typical of the Byzantine church of the 19th century. Later, Rafael Sanchez took over the project, but the construction was resumed with Antonio da Sangallo, nicknamed the Young. Of Saint Peter. Do you feel stressed? Maybe what you need is to get out of the usual. I recommend you to rest and go on a trip to Saint Peter's Basilica. I haven't convinced you yet, so how about I tell you I give you a 13% discount to visit this amazing place. The Basilica of Saint Peter is an excellent meet by impression you will be out to now. The colonnade of St. Peter's Square in the Vatican, which welcomes the visitor by welcoming the main facade, a work of art by Maderno, the Pieta of a very young Michelangelo, the main nave, saints that when visit the Basilica of Saint Soul to see it, Saint Peter's statue in the Vatican, the Dome of Saint Peter in the Vatican, preface the absence of Saint Peter Basilica, Treasure Museum of the Basilica di San Pietro, the Vatican Groves, always mysterious. Great opportunity. One of the most emblematic attractions of the Vatican City is, of course, Saint Peter's Basilica. It is part of the largest group of buildings in the world, the largest of the papal basilica. Is something indescribable because of the beauty that charizes and surround it, but knowing the history of St. Peter Basilica will also surprise you. In conclusion, I can say that the Basilica is a great and beautiful work of art, which must be visited and appraised by one's eyes. The Basilica of St. Peter of Rome is impressive, but for its external beauty, but also for the meaning it has within the Catholic religion. In addition, it is the symbol by which the expression of all the popes that ruled during the Renaissance is identified. You can't miss this great experience. Thank you. Bye.